Hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Kai, and Freewell have gone and done it again, releasing another hybrid filter. This one is the V2. So Freewell did send me this prototype filter, but all thoughts and opinions about it in this video are that of my own, so let's get on with the review. The V2 Hybrid VND 3 to 7 stop / CPL filter is a unique combination filter that integrates a variable neutral density filter and a circular polarizer filter into a single unit. So of course, the VND feature allows you to adjust the amount of light by rotating the filter, providing a variable range of 3 to 7 stops. Normally with these types of filter, you get a color shift, but Freewell filters come with a true color guarantee that ensures that you won't get a shift in colors when you adjust your filter value. And the circular polarizer feature helps to reduce glare, enhance your color saturation, and improve overall image quality by reducing reflections and increasing contrast. Now, the V2 is designed to be compatible with lenses that have a filter diameter of up to 82mm, which is a size that I currently have on my 15 to 35mm RF lens, but you can also purchase adapters in various sizes from 52, 55, 58, 62, 67, 72, and 77mm, which of course is useful for your current lens selection and helps to future-proof the system as your lens selection grows. The magnetic cover solution with this pull ring at the top is something I think is a much needed addition. As someone who used the original Freewell 7-in-1 magnetic VND, I found that its cover was fiddly and didn't really stay on securely.
Oh gosh.
Oh god.
Oh no. Oh dear.
This newer version fits on much more securely and is easier and less fiddly to handle. So how do we actually install this on our lens? Well, it's as simple as attaching our screws, connecting the correct adapter, which in this case is the 82mm thread, tightening the screws, and then screwing this on to our lens. And to use the VND is very simple. There's an arrow that points to the VND number, which is 3 in this case, all the way over to the 7th stop. We can also adjust the CPL to reduce glare by loosening the screws, adjusting the overall filter position by eyeballing the image style that we want, and then tightening the screws again. Here we have an example of us adjusting the CPL outside, and from the recording, if you pay attention to the glare on the lake water, you can see the difference as we reduce and enhance the glare in the highlights. So adjust it according to the look and style that you want. Now, Freewell very kindly also sent me some filters. I have a neutral streak filter, and I have this, one of my favorite filters, the Glow Mist 1/4. These attach really simply by just placing them on there, and the magnets keep them in place. Now, Freewell has definitely been refining their filters over the last few years, and they seem to be getting more and more creative with how they approach different shooting scenarios, and the filters themselves also seem to be getting more and more intuitive. There are a couple of things on this particular prototype that stood out to me as being slightly lacking. The first was the use of these 2 tiny screws that come all the way out. These are used to adjust the position of the CPL, and they're very fiddly, and they will probably get lost quite easily. However, Freewell have already sent out an email stating that they're going to fix this problem in the production version of this filter, which I think is awesome. The other issue that I came across was the vignetting at wide focal lengths. So at 15mm on a full frame camera, I did indeed see vignetting on my images. Of course, you probably won't be shooting at those extreme focal lengths all the time, but if you do decide that you want ultra wide focal lengths for your shots, you might not want to see those darkened edges. So that's just something for Freewell to investigate. So it has been 2 years since the original VND system by Freewell was launched. And not too long ago, we also had, oh my goodness, not too long ago, we had the K2 system as well. So why has Freewell decided to create this, the V2? Well, the main reason is that they've created something to combine the most requested features for a variable ND filter, which is a hybrid VND with 3 to 7 stops with a CPL solution, as well as the option to stack filters magnetically. This is a great example of a company actually listening to their audience and producing what the customer wants. So hats off to you, Freewell. I'm personally a massive fan of the original magnetic VND, and I've used it pretty much on all of my everyday outdoor shoots. And I also love the K2 system as well for professional photography and videography sessions. But I think the V2 might be replacing this original magnetic VND in my camera bag because of the option to quickly swap out the additional filters, particularly the mist filter. Now, this is not easy in the original 7-in-1 VND because it sits in the base. But of course, on the V2, it's as simple as pulling it on and off. And actually, it might encourage me to be more creative with the filters that I use because of the ease of simply placing them on top of the filter. If you're interested in getting one of these, you can check out the link in the description below. Let me know what you think about this filter. Is it something that you're interested in? Also, if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell button for notifications. And now that you've watched this video, make sure that you check out my review of the original Freewell magnetic VND over here, or check out this review on the Freewell K2 system over here. In the meantime, stay creative, imagine, implement, and inspire, and I will catch you in the next video.